Shabby friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I know you've seen a lot of me lately. I am here today for my Not Too Shabby Day video. It is on the Not Too Shabby channel today, as well as on my channel. So I want to show you, I know, first of all, I want to apologize. I know I promised coloring and I promised a shaker card for today, and I didn't get either one of those done. I have company visiting, and I thought I could get to it, but it just didn't go that way. But if you watch my sheet load video this morning, you'll see I used the same paper pad for my sheet load video. And so I had all the scraps sitting on my desk, and I thought, you know what? I can pull those out and I can make those right now. And so I don't have any scraps. So that's what I did. Okay. So I used the Just Because stamp set for my sentiment and used the sentiment Just Because. And I used the Honey Bear paper pad to create my cards. Okay, so with my sheet load, I had a bunch of 2-inch strips left over. So I thought, okay, I can use those. This one's just as crooked as can be. I said I can use those. I can do my go-to layout when I have 2-inch strips. Put a Love from Lizzie strip down the middle. I did some black glitter ones and did some yellow card bases. And if you noticed from some previous videos, I am in love with my Doodlebug mini doilies lately. I will leave that linked in the description box down below as to where I got these and everything. And I just pulled these bees out of my stash. They have been in my stash forever. And I had some little sticky bees, 3-dimensional bees, and I just pulled those out of my stash. So I said, Just Because. So they're all the same layout. They have a strip in the inside, and they have a Love from Lizzie strip here, the doily, and then I heat embossed this with some black embossing powder, some Nouveau black embossing powder. I will link that in the description box down below too, if I can find it. And so there is card number 1 and card number 2. Card number 3. Card number 4, card number 5, card number 6, and card number 7. So they all went landscape except for this one went portrait. So and I think they turned out very cute, very simple, but very cute. So and I have it on word that if you do not be on the fence about this box of the month from Not Too Shabby, if you would like this box of the month, you need to run right now and go get it, because there is like a handful left. A handful, if that. So this will be not quite as big a sellout as last month, because Jamie did increase the quantity. But it just debuted yesterday at 9 o'clock Central Time, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, noon Pacific Time. So, I mean, it just debuted yesterday. and it is almost sold out. So that tells me that we have a good product. Not Too Shabby has a great product right here. And if you are sad that you are missing these boxes every month, then maybe that is a sign that you might want to subscribe, because subscribers are assured that they will get a box each month. Anyhow, so I don't mean to be preaching to you or anything. I just know that these boxes are great, fabulous, and have great products, a great value, and you're supporting a one-woman business. Yes, I helped Jamie, and I put together the papers and the ephemera, and we make some of those decisions together, but I don't own the company. I'm not even a part owner. It's a one-woman business, and so when you purchase from Not Too Shabby, you are supporting Jamie and her business. And so anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and so much for joining. If you are on the Fresh and Renewed channel and you happen to be new, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button and maybe even ring that notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos up. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.